The Mk19 grenade launcher, pronounced Mark 19, is an American 40mm belt-fed automatic grenade launcher that was first developed during the Vietnam War. The first model, Mod 0, in 1966 was determined to be unreliable and unsafe, but a total of 6 Mod 1 launchers were successfully tested on U.S. Navy riverine patrol craft in the Mekong Delta in 1972. The Navy made further improvements to the weapon, resulting in the Mod 3 in 1976. The Mod 3 was adopted by the U.S. Army in 1983 and remains in service to the present day. Overview. The Mk19 is a belt-fed, blowback-operated, air-cooled, crew-served, fully automatic weapon that is designed not to cook off. It fires 40mm grenades at a cyclic rate of 325 to 375 rounds per minute, giving a practical rate of fire of 60 rounds per minute, rapid, and 40 rounds per minute, sustained. The weapon operates on the blowback principle, which uses the chamber pressure from each fired round to load and recock the weapon. The Mk19 can launch its grenade at a maximum distance of 2,212 meters, 2,419 yd, though its effective range to a point target is about 1,500 meters, 1,600 yd, since the large rear leaf sight is only graduated as far. The nearest safe distance to launch the grenade is 310 meters in training and 75 meters in combat. Though the Mk19 has a flash suppressor, it serves only to save the eyesight of its operator, not concealing the weapon's position. For night operation, a Picatinny rail quadrant sight can be added for thermal and night vision optics. The Mk19A is a man-portable crew-served weapon that can fire from a tripod-mounted position or from a vehicle mount, with the latter being the preferred method, as the weapon alone weighs 77.6 pounds, 35.2 kilograms. The primary ammunition for it is the high-explosive dual-purpose M430 grenade. On impact, the grenade can kill anyone within a radius of 5 meters, and wound them within a radius of 15 meters. It can also punch through 2 inches, 5.1 centimeters, of rolled homogeneous armor with a direct hit, 0-degree obliquity, which means it can penetrate most infantry fighting vehicles and armored personnel carriers. It is especially effective when used against enemy infantry formations. The ammunition comes in cans that hold a 32 or 48 grenade belt weighing 42 and 60 pounds, 19 and 27 kilograms, respectively. Due to its low recoil and comparatively light weight, it has been adapted for use on many different platforms, including small attack boats, fast attack vehicles such as the Humvee, HMMWV, AAV and Stryker, military jeeps, and a large variety of naval mounts. The Mk19 automatic grenade launcher replaced the earlier Mk18 hand-cranked multiple grenade launcher. The 40mm ammunition used, 40 x 53 mm, is not interchangeable with that used in the M203, 40 x 46 mm. The M203 ammunition develops a lower chamber pressure, and resultant lower muzzle velocity and range, compared to ammunition loaded for the Mk19. The Mk19 fires from an open bolt. The rounds are mechanically fed onto the bolt face with the pull of the charging handles. When the trigger is pressed, the bolt closes, and the firing pin is released. The recoil blows back the bolt, feeds a new round onto the bolt face, which pushes the expended casing off the bolt face. Production of the Mk19 is managed by Sacco Defense Industries, now a division of General Dynamics Ordnance and Tactical Systems. In November 2014, General Dynamics entered into an agreement with Advanced Material Engineering Pte Ltd, a subsidiary of Singapore Technologies Kinetics, to manufacture 40mm high-velocity airburst ammunition for the U.S. military. The 40mm airburst grenade uses a programmable, time-based fuse that computes and programs the detonation time into it, which counts down once fired to 0 to detonate at the intended target point. The airburst ammunition is compatible with the Mk19, which would give it greater effectiveness and lethality, particularly against concealed and defilade targets. The U.S. Army plans to introduce several new features to the Mk19 in an upgrade package that could be introduced by late 2017. Initiatives include increased muzzle velocity through a less resistant barrel, increased cyclic rate from an improved profile for the vertical cam to reduce the force needed to charge the weapon, enhancing reliability with a redesigned round positioning block to decrease the chance of misfires, increased durability and shortened reassembly time after maintenance from a new cocking cam and lever, and an updated mechanical sight utilizing up-to-date ammunition ballistic data to aid accuracy. Users. DOTS has built nearly 35,000 Mk19 Mod 3 systems for roughly 30 customers since 1984. Users of the Mk19 include Argentina, Argentine Marines, Australia, Morocco, Moroccan Army, Bangladesh, Brazil, used by the Brazilian Marine Corps, Croatia, Matov armored vehicles armed with Mk19 grenade launcher, first seen in public at recent Croatian Army parade. Initially Croatia purchased 32 weapons and kits, the number has since gone up. Egypt, manufactured locally. Greece, Honduras, Iran, Israel, adopted by the Israeli Defense Forces, under the name Makler, for Miklariminim or grenade machine gun, to be fielded in infantry and mechanized units. The Mk19 was formerly manufactured locally. Italy, Lebanon, Malaysia, Mexico, used extensively by the Mexican Army in the Mexican Drug War. Pakistan, used by the Pakistan Army. Poland, Saudi Arabia, Spain, Sweden, designated GRSP 92. Used by Kustjägarna and Amphibie Bataljonen and also by the 31st Airborne Battalion, Luftbana Bataljonen. Taiwan, Thailand, used by Royal Thai Marines, mounted on AAV-7A1. Turkey, produced under license by MKEK. Used by Turkish Land Forces. United States, currently in widespread use throughout the U.S. Armed Forces. Mk19 grenade launcher. Type automatic grenade launcher. Place of origin United States. Service history. In service 1968 present. Used by C users. Wars. Vietnam War. Persian Gulf War. War in Afghanistan. Iraq War. 2006 Lebanon War. Kurdish-Turkish conflict, 1978 present. Mexican Drug War. 2013 Lahad Datu standoff. Syrian Civil War. Production history. Designer Naval Ordnance Station Louisville. Designed 1966. Manufacturer Sacco Defense Industries, now a division of General Dynamics Ordnance and Tactical Systems, Combined Service Forces, MKEK. Unit cost $20,000. Produced 1968 present. Variants Mk19 Mod 0, Mk19 Mod 1, Mk19 Mod 2, Mk19 Mod 3, Mk19 Mod 4. Specifications. Weight 77.6 pounds, 35.2 kilograms, empty, without accessories. Length 43.1 inches, 1090 millimeters. Barrel length 16.25 inches, 413 millimeters. Width 9.46 inches, 240.4 millimeters. Height 7.8 inches, 199 millimeters. Cartridge 40 x 53 mm. Action blowback, advanced primer ignition. Rate of fire 40 rpm, sustained. 60 rpm, rapid. 360-390 rpm, cyclic. Muzzle velocity 750-790 feet per second, 230-240 m/s, average. Effective firing range 1500 m, 1600 yd. Maximum firing range 2212 m, 2419 yd. Feed system 32 or 48 grenade belt.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.